today I have all my fidgets, and I also got some new ones, like you can see that one right there. Today I made this paper chart, and it has 13 fidgets because I didn't want to make another piece of paper, so there's only 13. So let's get to it. So for the first section, we have number 13 is the worst and number 1 is the best. So for number 13 we have this pea popper because I don't really like it, and the first time I got it, it was really slippery and it falls out of my hands a lot. And if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. And while you're there, leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, this is my least favorite. I don't like it that much. And then for number 12, we have this mochi because, like, there's no reason for this to be a fidget toy. Like, it's useless. The only thing you can do is squish it. And then I still don't know what this is called. I'll probably look it up. This is number 11. Don't really like it. There's no use to it. I don't use it often. It's really loud. So, number 10. I probably should have put this lower, but it's squishy. It's kind of good to squish, but don't really use it. And then we have this. I'm just going to go with it off. We have this Galaxy Infinity Cube. The reason it's number 9 is because I don't really like it and it makes a cheap plastic noise. Like other ones don't make that kind of clicky, squeaky noise. And also the pins that it has, they're like creaking and look, hold on. See, it bends out a little sometimes. I don't think you can see it. Like it comes forward from the cube. So the next one is number 8, my purple marble mesh. Kind of like this, but I don't really use it that often. And then I took off some of the tingle because if you watched the collab video, me and my friend, she rated this big tangle, but it wouldn't fit on the charts. So this is the leftover stuff that I have from it. But I'm going to put it back together when I'm done. And then we have number 6, my fidget pad. It's not as loud as the one my friend has, but it's still good. And it has this rolly thing, and this part is my favorite. The roll clicky thing. And the slide thing. So the reason I put it here is because it's not as loud as the other one. And then number 5, I don't really have a reason to rate this low. The reason I rated it lower than the others was because others are better than this. Not that it's a bad fidget, it's that others are like I like them more. But it's a good fidget. Number 4, my bicycle chain. My friends and parents and family really like this, and I like it too because I use this for school all the time. But I just don't really like that it makes the clicky noises that the other one does. And then I just got this today, and I've been waiting like 4 weeks for it. And it's my Simple Dimple, number 3. It got kind of dirty when it came in the package. Well, it's gone now because I cleaned it, but it got kind of dirty when it was in the package. I don't really like that. And it feels like a hanger. Like the plasticky part feels like a hanger, so I don't really like it, but it's really good. Like, I like it, but I don't like it at the same time. Whoa, that just shook. Oh, moving on to number 2, my snake that I put in the shape of a heart. And I have a blue one, a red one, and a green one. So I got all of these and I folded them into hearts because, I don't know, it's a cool shape. And the reason I rated this number 2 was because I really like it. And hold on, I'm going to take it apart so I can show you. The pros and cons is the pros that it can move it around really easily and it's super fun to play with. I can imagine myself playing with this in school after spring break. But the con is that when you look at it like this, it has powdery stuff in it. It's like white powder stuff. Maybe you could see it better on the blue one. Can you see it? And it takes a little bit to snap back into place because it has holes in it, and then the ball part goes into it because there's 4 balls and 4 holes. So when you twist them, it comes off the balls and then it goes back in. So now I'm going to untwist it. Sometimes you get stuck and you it's hard to untwist it. It's really fun and it makes a clicky noise. It's not going to fit back in the chart, so I'll just put it right here. And then that brings us to our final one, number 1. This is my only Poppet, but I really, really like it because my friend's Poppet is a red square, and it's like a regular Poppet, but it just feels it's not silicone, it's plastic, so I don't really like the sound it makes and how it feels. But this one is amazing. I use this all the time for school. So that is my fidget toys, and hopefully I get more soon because I ordered a jumbo Neato and it's coming in like 5 or less days. So I'm really excited. And I hope you like this video. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite fidget was out of all of these. Bye guys. I hope you have a great day.